All of my friends are paid. I get that pay from VA. I tell my hajja I'm flossy, yeah. I get some bad, ship it overseas. I mean Dubai, I don't need a visa. I'm speaking there.
My favorite fall drink is out at Starbucks, and it's a peppermint latte, obviously with soy, and I get with a little bit of caramel. It's just so good. I don't really like the mocha because I'm not a very big fan of chocolate, but yeah. And then the seasonal cups are here.
It's spectacular today. We're going to the zoo with the little one.
Yes.
Oh, he's right. He's in the back.
I was like,
Oh, he's awake.
hello.
I say hi.
Does he know he's going to?
Yeah, it was his idea.
He's obsessed with
He's
the
like,
zoo. Yeah.
You got your camera and everything.
She vlogs. You want to say hi?
How are we doing?
You want to say hi?
Hello, everybody.
I'm a vlogger.
So much. What'd you say?
I'm a vlogger.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah, on
Okay,
YouTube.
cool. Well, I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I said I make videos on YouTube.
About everything?
Makeup.
Beauty, makeup, and lifestyle.
What's your name?
Beautybyyula.
Beautybyyula?
Yes.
YULA.
Y-U-L-A.
Yes.
I'll look you up, girl.
You
Okay.
I'll
should.
search you.
I come here all the time. We live right down the street.
Yeah, we don't-
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for including me in your journals.
Well, thank you.
Part of it.
I absolutely love when the baristas at Starbucks are so good because it kind of just makes your day, right?
Yeah, it was nice. Where are you going? Hey, are you going into the zoo?
Say hi.
Say hi to the camera. Oh, he's video. It's video.
Say
more
hi.
video. It's video time.
Anaconda or python?
Do you see it? Let's go look for a giraffe now. You see a lion? You see a lion?
Where's the yeah?
You see a lion? What do you see?
Where's the lion, Pumpkin?
Aya, where's the lion?
Over there. Okay. So hey guys, we just got done with the zoo. It was so much fun. As you guys saw, I tried to get up as much clips as I could. Yeah, a lot of my nephew is like obsessed with African animals, so a lot of the African animals were like put away because it's getting really cold. So it was the perfect timing. We came, we saw it, we conquered, and now we're gonna get some food. Hi beauty babes, welcome back to another vlog. This is gonna be kind of like a two-part. I recorded a little bit last week, some things that I did, and I didn't finish it off. So I kind of wanted to do a behind the scenes of setting up my office. As you guys know, if you are following me on my IG, which if you're not, you should be, I am starting my own lash line. It does launch in November, so I'll have all the details down in the description box. So I kind of just wanted to set up my office where I edit, and I know I still haven't shown you guys that, so this kind of will be a little bit of a sneak peek or behind the scenes. So if you guys just want to come along with me, let's just jump into it. And don't forget, beauty babes, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be part of the beauty squad, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. Hey guys, happy Sunday. I am starting the vlog off today in the car because I'm on my way to go run, I think 1 or 2 errands. I have to go to Ikea to go pick up or get a dresser because my dresser in my room is just not working out. I just finished recording my everyday makeup routine. This should be up in the next week or so. I completely forgot. I am wearing my lashes, B lashes. They will be released November 20th, so be sure you stay tuned. So first thing is first, I'm going to go get some Starbucks because I haven't had, it's noon right now. I haven't had any caffeine, and I honestly haven't even had anything to eat. So I just ordered my Starbucks. I'm on my way to go pick it up. and then we will be off to our errands. My hair is in the middle of drying. I left a leave-in conditioner last night. If you guys want to see which leave-in conditioner I used, then go ahead and check out my Instagram because it's in my highlights. Yeah, I used a leave-in conditioner last night, and honestly this is like the second time that I've done this, and I actually love it. Hold on. So this is the second time that I left a leave-in conditioner at night, and then in the morning I just kind of wake up and, you know, run my fingers through it and style it, and I actually love it. I love how it turns out. My hair texture for my curls is very like frizzy and big, and that's just how I like it. I don't like super defined curls. Does that make any sense? So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. I decided from now on to do a weekend vlog, so I'm going to be starting a little series. So this is going to be weekend vlog episode number 1. If you guys are enjoying it, be sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and tell me what you're doing on this beautiful Sunday. And I'm having a long weekend. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, so happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. Yeah, so I'm kind of just using this weekend to organize, rearrange a lot of things between my room, my little office, and my beauty room. So once I'm done with everything, then I will sit down and finally do a tour. I know it's honestly been something a lot of you guys have been waiting for a very long time, but I just wanted to get everything perfect, and I will say, like, my stuff is like nowhere near perfect and I'm nowhere near done, but I feel like if I keep going, I'm never gonna stop and show you guys what it looks like. So let me run in and get my cup of Starbucks and I'll be right back. I needed some caffeine today, so I got a grande caramel macchiato, no vanilla, 5 pumps of raspberry with soy and extra caramel drizzle on the bottom. This is my like #1 go-to Starbucks drink. And I am living for the holiday cups. Hey guys, so I'm a really bad vlogger today. I went to Ikea and my battery died, so I couldn't vlog, but I got a dresser and a few other things. So once it's put together, I'm going to show you guys what the dresser looks like. I'm not going to show you guys the whole view. Like I said, I'm just spending the day organizing, cleaning up, reorganizing. So right now I'm taking a quick lunch break, and I'll check you guys back with that later. I kind of started like arranging it and putting things away, but this is what it looks like. So I'm finally gonna remember to actually end this vlog because I'm so bad with ending vlogs. But that's it for my weekend video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not part of the beauty squad. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. I will catch you guys in the next one.